What's up, homies? Matt Gamer here today. I'm excited to tell you that my brand new series of Let's Plays are coming out. Here, wait, thank you. So, anyways, I'm really excited to tell you this, and also I'm really excited to get out there and be a great gaming. Yeah, I totally messed it up. But anyways, guys.
Stop and start over.
But anyways, guys, so I'm hopefully it'll come out on Tuesday, Thursday, or Wednesday. My first video. Hopefully I'll get like a lap. The thing is, it may be a bit longer until I can make another video though, because I don't have a laptop right now, except for my school. But I can't use that one, so I won't be able to use it. But I'll give you another information video when I can. But so other than that, just telling y'all, and also see you later, homies. No, wait, never mind. No, I'm not gonna use that. No, I'm not gonna use that anything. I'll think of one. See you later.